So, as a busy mom, I don't keep products around that does not work, and the Bissell SpinWave is still a part of my routine. This is actually my third video on it over the past few years, so today I'm giving you an updated look, especially at the water tank, and showing you how it performs in real life. Quick review of this Bissell SpinWave tank. If you need a replacement water tank for your Bissell SpinWave, this one fits perfectly and works just like the original. This is a replacement water tank for the Bissell SpinWave hard floor spin mops, and it fits several models like the 2039 series and the 2315 series. This is what it looks like up close. It's clear so you can easily see how much water is inside while you're cleaning. What I like is the large capacity so you can clean bigger areas without stopping to refill constantly. This is for your smaller area, your water and formula, and this is for your larger area, water and formula. It installs really easily. You just slide it in and it locks securely in place. It feels sturdy and works just like the original tank, so it's a great replacement if yours cracks or wears out. I'd definitely recommend it if you have a SpinWave mop.